Hello and welcome to the 7th lesson. We're going to generate the windows and the last elements for the hull. First of all, we need to select the hull and make some cuts. We'll do that to add a little bit more detail. Select these polygons on the back and extrude them slightly. Okay, the hull is pretty much ready to go. Now we need to open a new document, in which we will create the windows and the door. So go to File, New. Go to the primitives and create a cube. Choose 4 segments for the X and Y axis and 1 on the Z axis. Make it editable and scale it down like this. Next, we'll try to get the desired shape by modifying the points. Like we did before, select the points and use the Scale tool and the Move tool to edit them. You can use the Rectangle Selection tool to select multiple points at the same time. Scale them down like this, and then select the top points and edit them too. Select all the polygons from the front side and make an extrusion using Extrude Inner. Once you have done that, make a normal extrusion to the inside. Okay, we have this ready. Now, we'll create some individual pieces of wood to give it more detail. Create a cube and scale it down. Place it in the center. Make it editable. Grab the Loop Selection tool. Select these polygons, right-click and choose Extrude. To make the extrusion we want, take a look at the offset parameter and increase its value a lot. Scale these polygons up a bit. Next, we'll make some cuts to have more detail here. Grab the Loop Path tool and make a couple of cuts over here. Select these 2 polygons and extrude them. Here at the bottom, we're going to do the same. Select both objects and group them. This way, we'll be able to copy the entire window and paste it on the main document. Like we previously did, scale the object accordingly and, later on, we'll generate the symmetry to get the other windows. I'm going to speed up this part of the video because you know how this goes. At first, I tried to place 2 windows on each side of the ship, but then I realized that just 1 was enough. I also placed 3 windows on the stern, but you can place as many as you want. Remember that we are working in a cartoon style, so we need the objects to be big enough. I think it's better to err on the caution side rather than placing too many windows. Okay, go back to the previous document, the one with the window, and keep pressing Ctrl-Z until you have only the base of the window. From this shape, we'll make a door. Select the bottom points and move them downward. We are aiming for simplicity, so we'll give it only a little more detail. Let's select the outer polygons with the help of the Loop Selection tool, and before extruding, remember to increase the value of the maximum angle. Otherwise, we won't have the desired extrusion. Select these polygons now and extrude them a little bit. We don't need to do much more than this. Copy the door, return to the main document, and paste it there. Of course, you'll have to place it just in front of the cabins. For the last part, create a cube and modify it to make a hatch. It's very easy. Flatten it, make an inner extrusion, and there a normal extrusion. Then you just have to place the hatch more or less over here, which will give access to the hold. Create another cube and use it to generate the rudder. Don't forget to make it editable to modify the points, as you can see here. Once you have it, just place it next to the stern. And with this, the ship will be almost ready. In the next video, we'll try to create a figurehead at the prow of the ship. See you!